Hello guys, I hope I'm doing good. Today analysis on Bitcoin, micro, Fibonacci cycle and Elliott Wave cycle. I already made video in Hindi, so this video will be in English, and I will discuss about altcoin and dominance as well, how to play in Q4. Okay, so let's talk about high time frame and cycle analysis. I already made a video in Hindi. You can watch on channel. I made two videos on Fibonacci cycle analysis. So let's talk about Fibonacci cycle analysis first. This is the low point in 2011. You can see here BTC really $2 to 265, right? And you can see here 1618 extension Fibonacci level act as a resistance here. Then price drop 1272 as a support, market as a support. Then market run again, peak around 2.72. This is the blow of 2014. Then we started the bear market after hit this level, and you can see the bear market bottom around 100 150, and the 161 level act as a support, the low of bear market here. Then you can see another rally from here, then like this. Now let's check out in 2017 cycle analysis. You can see the high and the low point. We started after the bear market rally, hit 1618 level here, then drop to 1272 in log. This is the log chart. Acted 1618 level acted as a resistance here, and price drop around 1272 level. Then another rally, blow off 2.272. Then we started the bear market, and you can see the diagonal trend line, and you can see the channel, long-term channel. First high, second high test, first test, second test. Then you can see after hit 2.272 level, we started the bear market, and the bear market low around 1618 level 4000. After that we started again slowly. Then here you can see here, let's remove let's zoom out for better example. Here you can see 1618 level around 57,000, and 1272 level around 31. I already pinned on Twitter complete thread, you can check out there. Let's remove this Fibonacci and this one as well. Okay, now clear. You can see here wide count here, because I will explain later after this. You can see we hit around 1618 level, the peak of first low peak here, and drop to 1272 like we did here, and in 2013 and 14. Okay, same thing you can see here. First peak out 161 level, then we drop to 1272. Then price consolidate between these zone, and if we follow the cycle analysis and the cycle history, then we have to blow off and test the 2272. Okay, you can see here around 187k, and the final one is 200k. Okay, this is the cycle analysis. And let's talk about Elliott Wave. This is the very important video. Do not miss the complete update, because I will explain how to play in altcoin and how to play with Bitcoin. So stay here and watch out. We started really here, first wave. Okay, and this is the ABC. I already counted in 2019, and the chart available on TradingView, also pin on my Twitter profile. You can check out there, complete thread available there. You can check completely. Here you can see the 5 wave. Then you can see here blow up, then bear market ABC, right? And another one you can see here, first, second, 4, 5. Okay, the 5 blow up peak around same like cycle analysis here, same thing here. Let me do in mini cycle so you can understand easy way. I will explain in easy way like classical technical analysis, the advanced level. So if you can't understand, then I will explain in easy way. Okay, so here you can see first wave, the second wave, and the third, fourth, and the fifth wave. And ABC is the bear market, impulse is the bull market. Okay, Then again, you can see here first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. We already riding from here, so it's following our count. We are from now. You can see here third wave always hit 1618 and 1272. It's mean the fourth wave target, then blow off the around 272 here, same like here, okay. Here you can see after the ABC, always whenever corrective wave complete, always start the impulse again. So you can see here 1, 2, and the third one here. The fourth completed around 31K here 1272, and now fifth wave heading around 2272, 180K and 200K. In upcoming time. Not sure about we will hit in Q4, but Q1 2022, yeah, June. Okay, let me mark out the date. Yeah, May and June, May 2022, and possibility here we can hit there. Okay, let's talk about the lower time frame. How the daily chart. Okay, possibility for Bitcoin for here can consolidate between this zone. Let me open the Binance chart. I already made this. This is the cheat sheet, how you play in altcoin and how you play with Bitcoin. We already from here as well, and also here first buying was given in June on pin on Twitter, and second posted on YouTube and all social media platform, Telegram as well. First order fill here. So now how you play right now. BTC possibility here, we can consolidate between 51 and 45,000, at least 10 to 15 or 20 days. If we consolidate in this zone, then we can see the last push up and pending run in altcoin here. Okay, so in between we can trade altcoin. Okay, let me explain dominance, then I will go through this so you can understand easy way. Okay, now here, if you can see dominance, the first, second, fourth, third, fourth, fifth heading around 36 and 35 and 38, the low of 2010. Here we are trading from altcoin since here. If you on channel, we already release first, second altcoin list here, first here, third release here. So we continue hold if we go fifth wave. Okay, let's talk about lower time frame for now. This is the first wave, the second wave, the third and the fourth, and here you can see the complete ABC down, and now fifth, 5 wave divided into 5 waves, sub wave. You can see the first wave and first, second drop, third wave, fourth wave going on, and we can test 43 and 44 dominance, and also possibility if we break down below 41 as mentioned on Telegram and Twitter. If we drop below 41 and 41.3, so we can see sharp drop around 38 and 35 level. If dominant drop here around this level, then we can see the good pump in altcoin. Let's talk about Ethereum BTC. Ethereum BTC forming a triangle. You can call classical triangle, ascending triangle, whatever you say. Here, the support around 0.06 level. If we break here, then possibility same thing. A dominance 42.7 and possible 43, 44. If we hit 44, then Ethereum can hit this level. And if we hold and dominance reject from 44, then higher chances are we are going to test 35 and 36 level. In case we are going to outperform in next 10 and 1 month. Okay, and the opposite of in bear case, if we break this level here, then it's mean BTC going to outperform, and altcoins in set value will drop harder. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin now. Here I will post this chart on Telegram channel and Twitter, so you can read as well. Now you can see currently farming the big triangle here and the normal triangle here. If we farm triangle between 53, 51 and 45k, then we can see as explained on BTC dominance, dominance can hit 35. So we can see the concentration between 45 and 51. Then the pending altcoin can run here. And if BTC break out above 59k, then we can see BTC run and go parabolic and alone run. Then in case dominance will rise and BTC will run, alt will drop in SAT and USDT as well, like last time here. Like last time here, first run here, then peak out, then it was the alt season, then this is the Bitcoin season. And altcoin already run, but pending altcoin can run here. Like this is the alt season, then this is the BTC season. So confirmation above 58k and 59k. If we cross above BTC, above be in BTC, into BTC, hold till complete cycle 80 and 100k. After that, after hit 100k, BTC will drop around 40 and 45, even 50% can drop. 100 to 60k, and drop will be the slow bleed like this. So alt can outperform in this zone here. And if you want to buy BTC, we already in, and still if you want to buy BTC, then you have to wait 51,000. After this level you can buy, and otherwise trade altcoin, and you have to wait this level 45 and 44k, and completely be in BTC after crossing BTC 58, 59k, and flip into altcoin whenever BTC hit 100 and 100k level. Then we can flip, and altcoin will pump, blow off. You can say euphoria mode in everything, like here. BTC concentration between 50 and 45k. One more push up upside already here mentioned. So you can play like this. This is the Bitcoin and dominance complete market analysis. I hope you like the video, and if you're new on channel, subscribe the channel and follow on Twitter and join the Telegram channel. And we will post next video on altcoin. Okay, see you soon.